Right. When's the last time you had employment?
It's been a while.
Why?
Just haven't found a job.
All right. I can tell you right now, I know that Isaiah Martinez is your son. You're not going to be allowed to live with him.
Oh, no, I know that.
All right. So you need to get employment and get on your feet. We're going to do 3 years deferred adjudication, 150 hours of community service restitution.
Carla Gonzalez has been prohibited from living with her minor children and is not allowed unsupervised contact with them due to a history of drug use and violent behavior. Before we begin, thank you for watching this video.
Court is calling 2023 CR 8336, State of Texas versus Carla Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Carla Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. I don't see it, but I'm assuming you filed a motion application for probation or deferred adjudication.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams? That is a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? Court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe so.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Miss Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, no, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than a plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. I'm sorry. Showing you outside the agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours community service restitution, no harmful or injurious contact with Isaiah Martinez. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Or no contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Only that I would urge the court to follow our plea bargaining agreement.
All right, how many children do you have?
I have 5 and we're getting babies.
All right, how old are your children?
The age is 23, 22, 19, 13, and then 9, almost 10.
All right, who's taking care of the 13, 9-year-old and 10-year-old?
The 9 and 13-year-old, my mom is.
I'm sorry, what?
My mom is.
Is Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am.
All right, when's the last time you had employment?
It's been a while.
Why?
Just haven't found a job.
All right, I can tell you right now, I know that Isaiah Martinez is your son. You're not going to be allowed to live with him.
Oh, no, I know that.
All right. So you need to get employment and get on your feet. We're going to do 3 years deferred adjudication, 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. She needs intensive parenting classes. Once she completes those, the community service will be deemed satisfied. No contact with Isaiah Martinez. If she gets her life together, I'll consider allowing her to have contact. Obviously, he loves her, but there was violence in this situation plus drugs. You can't be living with your children and bringing drugs into their home. You understand?
Mhm.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. TAP evaluation in custody. Follow TAP recommendations. If they recommend inpatient treatment, then it's to be inpatient treatment. I'm going to run a referral to felony drug court. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline until further notice. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And probation with the field visits, I'm just trying to make sure she's in classes and is on the right track before that's discontinued at your discretion.
Thank you.
All right, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor, I think that's it.
All right, anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Amen.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to do better. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, everyone, the court is in recess.
Just one more procedure.
Oh, so yeah. We're in recess.
This is a sentencing hearing for Carla Gonzalez, who pleaded guilty to third-degree felony possession of a controlled substance. While the plea agreement recommended deferred adjudication, Judge Boyd examined the case more closely. She found that the offense involved Gonzalez's son, Isaiah Martinez, and that drugs had been brought into the home. Although the plea was accepted, Judge Boyd imposed strict, life-altering conditions. Gonzalez is barred from living with her minor children and cannot have unsupervised contact with them. She was also ordered to complete intensive parenting classes, secure employment within 30 days, and participate in a felony drug court program. Balancing stern accountability with a path toward rehabilitation, Judge Boyd made it clear that the only way forward is for Gonzalez to turn her life around, ending the hearing with a firm directive to do better.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How's it going?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It was a kind of a tiring trip with those teenagers.
But I'm sure it was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
It's always not, I tell you, when you see the season through a child's eyes, it's so much different. It makes you excited about it again.
We could have used a little more snow, but you know, the place we went to where they could ski
Mhm.
was, they make their own snow.
Oh, wow.
They have some kind of a machine that, you know,
Huh.
throws
Well,
stuff
I
out.
was still the same as I've been every year since I was born. I could not stay awake for Santa. By the time they woke me up, Santa was gone.
Oh, these guys will stay up watching TV till 1 or 2 in the morning. We get passed out.
Yeah. All right, court is calling 2023 CR 1266, State of Texas versus Mark A. Ramirez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gearhead, Your Honor.
Ed
Defense?
Garza for Mr. Ramirez.
Are you Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Mark A. Ramirez who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 1266 for the offense of unlawful possession of firearm by felon on February 27, 2023 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 17th.
Just 1 second. I do not have,
Motion for supplement.
let me see if I can find the supplement. I don't have that. Just 1 second.
It was signed on the 14th of December.
Ah, all right. Thank you. Michelle, you're on it. I appreciate that. And also, Mr. Ramirez, I'm showing you what's entitled State Motion to Supplement Pending Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney as well and understand it?
Yes, Judge.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 17th day of November 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Mark A. Ramirez, committed the offense of possession of controlled substance when they group 1 or 200 grams in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and that is to take in consideration the new cause number of 738804, which is a night mag possession case that you pled true to, and to reform the underlying sentence and revocation of 3 years.
Is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, Judge.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And did y'all previously confer with probation?
Did not.
Well, I did.
All right, thank you.
Briefly,
I mean, it's a new year. We still can't forget about
I
probation.
did, Your Honor.
But Sean, I'm gonna make them not forget about you. Probation is, are you all requesting revocation?
Your Honor, Ms. Ramirez, yes, to be short, yes.
Okay. All right, then what the court will do, the court will grant the motion. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money is to run concurrent. Court will take in consideration NIMAC number 738844. If you would like, I could refer you to the therapeutic community. I can't force them to place you in the therapeutic community. You would still have to ask for it. So would you like that?
Yes, Judge.
All right. And I'll order the therapeutic community. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Judge.
Did you pass that over? Oh, thank you. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
50.
All right, you're 50. You're younger than I am, but as I tell everybody, I'm in the twilight of my life. I only have so many more years left on the planet unless I'm planning to live to 200 or something of that nature. And if I do, that means that I'm going to have to work.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you need to make a decision in your life what you want to do, even though you're going to prison. And I always tell people, anytime you spend in custody, that's a rough time
Yes, ma'am.
because you're not free. You can't get up when you want to, can't even take a bath. right? You have to take a shower.
Sure, right.
So you need to decide how you want to spend your remaining time on the planet. If you have a drug or alcohol problem, there are free places to go when you get out of prison. So when you get out of prison, don't do the hooray and go back to the way life was before, because you're going to end up right back here.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you go to prison, don't become institutionalized. Take advantage of all the free opportunities they give you. You get free you get free medical treatment. Maybe not the best or the Cadillac of medical treatments, but it's still free. You can get your education while you're there for free. Pick up a trade while you're there for free so you can come out and do something with your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Happy belated birthday, Judge.
Oh, thank you.